Hi there, it's me Julie. So now I'm going to show you how to add new users to QuickBooks Online. So here on my screen, I have here a sample QBO account for our customer. So for us to add a new user, we just have to find the gear icon. So here is the gear icon on the upper right side of our QuickBooks Online menu. So just click this one, then select on the Your Company tab, select Manage Users. Then just wait for it to load. Then on the Users tab, just click Add User. Then here on the screen, we have here select user type. So you just have to select on whether in this four options you're going to choose for the new user that you are adding. So for the standard user, this means that you can give them full or limited access without admin privileges. While for the company admin, this means they can see and do everything. This includes sending money, changing passwords, and adding users. Take note, not everyone not everyone should be an admin, so you have to really take note of that. So we have here the this user is my accountant box. So this means that if you the new user that you're adding will going to be your accountant, you just have to check this box. So this will give the access to the user as your accountant. So take down note of this one. You can have only one accountant user. So in this one, we have here the reports only access. So this means that they can see all reports except one that show payroll or contact info, or if you will going to give them the time tracking access only. So it's up for you if whether of these options you are going to give the access to the new user. So for now, we're just going to click the standard user, and when you're done, just click next. And now we have to specify the access rights for the new user. So we have here the three options: all, none, or limited. So in all options, that means that you will give the all access to the new user. Example, for the customers and sales, for the vendors and purchases, and they can also add, edit, and delete employees, change preferences, activity log, view activity log, create, edit, and delete budgets, and etc. While for the none, if you don't want them to have an access rights, just check this one, select this one, or you just want to give them a limited access, you can choose whether for the customers only. So these are the things that they can do: enter estimates, invoice, sales receipts, and etc. And take note also for the things that they can't do, like print checks, make bills and purchases billable to customers, add, edit, and delete accounts, and so on. And also, if you want them to have a limited access for the vendors only, you can check this box, and these are the things that they can do: enter bills from vendors, enter cash and credit purchases, and so on and so forth. And these are the things that they can't do: add, edit, and delete accounts and quantity on hand. They can't view bank registers or set up multi-currency, and etc. Or you can just check both the customers and vendors limited access for the new users. So if you check this one, they can have access to both customers and vendors. And also you still have to take note of this one, that the things that they can't do for they have the limited only access. So if you're done, just select next. Then just specify the users. Just click this one if you want them to add, edit, and remove users for your settings. if you don't, just select the no option or the view only. And if you don't want this user to edit company info, just select no, or if you want, select yes. So it's up to you. Or do you want this user to manage subscriptions? If you want yes or no, or view only, so it depends on you. So if you've done selecting all those, just select next. Then, so in this one, you just have to add the name and the email address of the employee to give access to. So like for example, you want the name of Sheila here, Sheila Abento, and the email Sheila at gmail.com. So that's it. So if you have added all the information of the new user, so this email address will going to be the user ID of the new user. So after you've done, just select save. So that's it. You have now added a new user. And take note, the new user now appears in the manage user screen. So since this is a sample only, I haven't saved the one that we added. You just have to take note that the status is invited. So after you have filled out that form, you have inputted the name of the new user and the email address. So the invite link will be sent to the email of your employee. So that means that the employee will get a notification email with a link. All they have to do is to follow the link to sign in, and they can get the access. So that's it. You have now added a new user in QuickBooks Online. That's all. Thank you.